Not one, not two, but 6 witnesses attacked, 2 of them now dead. The common link: they were all about to testify against Godman Asaram and his son Narayan Sai, the latest shot at in his own home. Isn't it time we had a witness protection law?
2 self-styled Godmen, father and son, 2 cases of sexual assault and 3 witnesses shot dead. Witnesses who were key to proving the cases against Narayan Sai and Asaram. And now another witness shot at. 32-year-old Mahendra Chawla, who was one of the main witnesses and a former aide of Narayan Sai. He's currently recuperating at a Panipat hospital. Chawla is one of the main prosecution witnesses in the case, where 2 Surat sisters have alleged that they had been sexually assaulted by Narayan Sai between 2002 to 2005. Chawla was alone at home when 2 men arrived on motorbikes and entered his residence. A struggle followed and he tried to jump off the balcony but was shot in the back twice.
Seems to be desi tha because it caused a very ghastly wound, right? And some metal fragments have been recovered from the body.
Family members of Mahendra Chawla are shaken and scared and not willing to speak to us on camera. They are telling us that it is pretty evident that Chawla was attacked and targeted because he is a key witness in the Narayan Sai sexual assault case. And the fact that Narayan Sai was out on bail just a few days back is also a very significant development. But they are not willing to speak out and make allegations against anyone because they are still worried about their own personal safety.
Like Narayan Sai, witnesses in his father and self-styled Godman Asaram's case have also been killed. Akhil Gupta was shot dead on his way home from work last January near Muzaffarnagar in Uttar Pradesh. He was a witness in one of the sexual assault cases filed against Asaram. And in June last year, Amrut Prajapati, Asaram's physician, was also shot dead by unknown assailants at Rajkot in Rajasthan. Though some arrests were made, the police have so far found no clues to connect these murders with either Asaram or Narayan Sai.
His family members are in regular touch with us. Nothing concrete has been provided by them so far.
But none of this seems to affect Asaram, who gave this brazen response on his way to a court hearing this morning. And so the big question: with witnesses being targeted repeatedly, will the cases against the so-called Godmen Narayan Sai and Asaram fall apart? With Rohit Bhan and Harsha Kumari Singh and camera person Sudhir, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.